guys, this is Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, the starting I have made such videos for you guys which is for beginners and you guys can learn from it. So I thought why not do a no makeup tutorial. So guys, this is a really very nice look. Like basically this is a really very natural look, you guys can say, and it is easy to do in just few minutes and you guys can carry this look for your college event or your college regular days. Also you guys can carry this look for any meetings or it can be your office look also. So because it is really very nice subtle look. So hope you guys will like this look and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have made this look really very easy and quick, so you guys can just do within just 10 minutes. And if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so we need hydration for our skin, and for that we are going to use moisturizer. And guys, we are going with this moisturizer which is from Face Shop, Mango Seed Silk Moisturizer Emulsion. So I'll just take a generous amount of the moisturizer. Firstly, I'll just tap on the high points of my face. Also on my neck, so it looks more hydrated. Guys, for the perfect base you need to prep your skin really very well so it hydrates and give you that glow from within. Also I'll be moisturizing my lips, and for that I'm going to use this Himalaya lip balm. I'm using this since years and years and years, and yes, we'll just apply. Guys, and now we'll move ahead with the primer, and for that I am going to use PAC Zero Separation Pore Cream. This is how it looks when you guys can see I have hit the whole tub, and it goes on and on and on. It has this huge amount of the tub, and I'm just taking the minimum product to pat near my nose, and because I have the large pores over here, so I'm just filling it. Also on my forehead, my chin. So we are going with the concealer, and I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So guys, no makeup look is something which you have applied the makeup, but it doesn't seem that you have applied makeup and the natural glow comes within. So you have to just keep in mind, and you have to go very lightly on your face so it looks all natural and beautiful. I'm just covering it very lightly on my dark circles and onto some area which I need to cover. Near my nose, near my lips. On my bridge of the nose, forehead, on my chin as well. I'm just lightly highlighting my face, and for that I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer, and I am in the shade Creamy Beige. I'll just take the small amount of the concealer because it is really nice and it covers everything. and I'll just blend it with a beauty blender. So as you guys can see, my base is looking totally flawless and it is looking really very natural, and it doesn't seem like I have applied a concealer on my face, and this is the exact thing which you have to do, guys. You guys can see I have an acne spot over here, and also there are some spots which I haven't covered. I just want to keep it really very natural so it looks nice. So after my base is totally done, we'll move with setting the face, and for that I'll be using PAC Studio Finish Compact Powder, and it is like this. Guys, I'm just taking it very lightly. You guys can see I've just took and I'm just blending it very lightly. I'll just apply properly on my neck so it looks more natural and even. So guys, after my face is set properly with the compact powder, I am going to do my eyebrows, and for that I am going to take this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. You guys know this is really my favorite, and yes, I'm going with the powder part, and I'm just not overdoing my brows. I'm just keeping it really very natural. So guys, once we are done with the brows, and move with the eyelid area, guys, and we are not keeping it totally bare, but I am going to use this Hoola bronzer. You guys can see. So it is a very light shade bronzer and it is really very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking the small amount of the product on the brush. This is a fluffy blending brush. I'll just dab the excess. And yes, I'm lightly going over my eyelid area. So my lid doesn't look bare at all. You guys can see how my eyes is looking. It is looking really very nice, and it is not looking bare at the same time. It has got some shadow to it, and which is really nice thing. Also guys, I'll be applying a little bit of contour shade, a Hoola bronzer, on my lash line area, just to give it a simple and complete look to my eye. So yes guys, you guys can go with a liner, you guys can go with the kajal, you guys can smudge it a little bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm not going to apply a liner or kajal. I'm just going directly with the mascara. And yes, we'll move with the mascara, and I'm going to take Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Also guys, I'll be lightly contouring my nose with the same brush. I'm just giving a little bit curve so it looks more sharp. So I'll be lightly contouring. This is the brush which I have got with the Hoola bronzer, and it is also really very nice. I'll be just going with the beauty blender to make sure everything is well blended. And now we'll move with the blush, and for that I'm going to use my favorite lipstick which is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 02 Breaking Bear. I have this mini version of the lipstick, and guys, really it is really very nice. So what I'll do is I'll just take the lipstick and I'll just take some product on my beauty blender and I'll just apply on my cheeks. You guys can see how nice rosy glow it has given me from inside. And you guys can see how nice and natural it is looking. Blush is done. I'll be moving with the highlighter, but yes, we are not applying the highlighter like the way we used to do, like popping up the highlighter really very well. We are just adding a hint of a highlighter so it looks glowing. It seems like the glow is coming from within. For that we are going to use Makeup Revolution highlighter, the Ultem Pro highlighter. And this highlighter is also really very nice. You guys can see how big the highlighter is. Yes, and we are just taking the less amount. And you guys can see just a tinge of a highlighter, and that's it. We'll also apply on the highest point our face, which is the bridge of the nose. And I'm just blending it with my fingers simultaneously so it looks all blended. Just going with the beauty blender to blend everything really very well. As we'll just set our face with a setting spray, and I'm going to use this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and I'm just going very lightly. And yes, we'll move with the final part, which is a lipstick, and I'm going to use the same shade which I have used for the blush. And also I'm going with the shade 08 Brown Town Abbey. It is also really nice nude brown shade, and this one is really nice pink shade. So both the lipsticks are really very nice, and I'm just applying it very, very lightly. I'll be just dabbing it with my finger. I'm just going it with Breaking Bear shade. As you guys can see, this lipstick is looking really very nice, really very natural, and it looks like I haven't applied a lipstick, like it is a really very light shade, and it gives my lips a very nice nude pinky effect, and which is really very nice. I like this combination of the lipstick. So yeah guys, just a small tip that for lipstick, you guys don't need to have the same shade which I have used. You guys can go with another different shades which you like you guys can go with the lightest pink shade, you guys can go with the nude shade, brown nude shade, which goes according to your skin tone. I have just used the lipstick which is going according to my skin tone. So yeah, I hope that is clear, and I hope that you guys like this look. am trying to bring more such contents for you guys, more such amazing videos for you guys, so you guys can see and you guys can just practice at your home, because this is the lockdown part and now you guys can practice by your own self. So yeah, this video will be helpful for you guys, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.